2 days after encounter between security forces and Naxal in Sukhma, Bijapur border area of Chhattisgarh, the state police is going to be submitting its report on the incident to the Home Ministry. It is learned that no request for NIA probe has been made in this report. This is coming in a day after Home Minister Amit Shah has taken a stock of the situation. He chaired a review meeting with the senior officials of the ministry, Intelligence Bureau and Central Armed Police Forces also. Shah has assured the nation that the sacrifice of martyrs is not going to go in vain. So far, 22 security personnel have been confirmed dead, while 31 soldiers are wounded. As per the CRPF, the toll could go further up as the search operation continues. Over 30 Naxals have also lost their lives in Saturday's encounter.
Biggest red terror strike of 2021. India losing braves in Naxal ambush. On Saturday, security forces received intel about presence of dreaded Naxal commander Hidma in Sukhma, Bijapur border. A joint operation was initiated by CRPF's Elite Commando Unit, Cobra, District Reserve Guard and the Special Task Force to nab the Naxal commander. But the security forces were led into an ambush as Naxals were ready. A fierce encounter broke out between the security forces and Naxals, which continued from close range for more than 3 hours. Naxals unleashed their arsenal of light machine guns and rocket launchers on the security forces. In retaliation from the security forces, about 15 to 20 Naxals were also killed. But forces suffered heavy casualties. 2 bodies of Jawans were recovered on Saturday and 20 more early on Sunday. Naxals cut the hand of an inspector before killing him, and some of the security personnel also died because of dehydration.
We don't have exact figure what the casualty on Naxal sides, but we have lost 22 dead bodies we have recovered of our soldiers, and one person is still missing. We are trying to find out whether he is alive. So the casualty figure is 22 on our side.
After the news of the attack surfaced, Prime Minister Modi tweeted to condole the martyrs and wished speedy recovery to the injured. Home Ministry also instructed DG CRPF to rush to Chhattisgarh and take stock of the situation. Home Minister Amit Shah also cut short his Assam pole visit and returned to Delhi.
जवानों की जो शहीदगी हुई है उसको देखकर मैं मेरा असम का दौरा कर्टेल कर वापस दिल्ली जा रहा हूं। मैं उन सभी जवानों को श्रद्धांजलि भी देता हूं और उनके परिवारजनों को और देश को इतना विश्वास दिलाना चाहता हूं कि जवानों ने अपना खून जो देश के लिए बहाया है वो व्यर्थ नहीं जाएगा।
BJP took pot shots at Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel, who is leading Congress campaign in Assam. Baghel, however, promised to fight the red terror.
नक्सलियों का जो प्रभाव है वो सिकुड़ते जा रहा है, तो बौखलाहट में इस प्रकार से कर रहे हैं। ये आखिरी खंदक की लड़ाई है और मैं समझता हूं कि ये अपने अस्तित्व की लड़ाई लड़ रहे हैं और बहुत जल्दी नक्सली समाप्त होंगे छत्तीसगढ़ से।
Forces suspect Naxal commander Hidma, who leads Naxal one-armed unit of People Liberation Guerrilla Army, could have misled the forces with a trap.
Union Home Minister has reached Delhi, cutting short his visit to Assam, a pole-bound state, to ensure he carries a high-level review meeting. What is important is not just the setback, but also to ensure that there is a future strategy to ensure that Naxals are neutralized, to avenge the death of soldiers. MHA is also awaiting a report from DG Chhattisgarh. With camera person Shakil Ahmed, this is Kamaljit Sandhu in Delhi for India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.